Good afternoon from the Potter Creek Sugar Shack. It is January 30th, 2018, and we're on our second boil of the season. And what I thought I would do is I'd just take everybody on a quick little tour of our sugar shack and explain in real simplistic terms what exactly goes on here, how we turn raw tree sap into pure maple syrup. So the trees are tapped, and when that sap is running and we're collecting, it's all brought down into this bulk tank that you see here. It's stored in there and kept nice and cold until we're ready to boil and process it. And what we do with this raw sap in order to speed up the boiling time and save time, effort, energy, and ultimately a lot of wood is we push it through an RO machine, which is reverse osmosis. And what this does is it takes raw sap, which is fed in through the larger line on the bottom, and it pushes it through a membrane via high pressure, and it concentrates the sap, and it also removes pure water as it does that. And that pure water that's removed saves a lot of boiling time. It speeds up the process and helps make a more consistent final end product. So as that sap is pushed through, it's fed up into these head tanks, which are the white barrels that you see up in the rafters. And that sap is then fed down through the white pipe you see here into a feed box, which is this little guy right here. And what that does is it regulates the amount of sap coming in. So as we fire this arch, as we fire the evaporator, which is fed in the front there, and steam's rising and it's slowly concentrating and evaporating, that raw sap is fed into the back and travels up through the partitions into the syrup pans, and then once it reaches the correct density, it is then released through this automatic draw-off, which is this little gizmo, and it goes into our finish pan. From there then, the sap is further concentrated to make sure we hit the correct density, and then it is pushed through a filter press and bottled, and it's ready for the pancakes and waffles and anything else you can imagine putting it on. So that's our sugar shack. That's our quick little tour, and hope to see you guys again soon.